If you need to log out of your Grammarly account, this quick tutorial will show you the exact steps in just a moment. Whether you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want to sign out for privacy, this is a simple process once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and look at the Grammarly icon in your toolbar. This is usually located near the top of your browser window, alongside your other extensions. Click the Grammarly icon to open the extension panel. Once the Grammarly panel opens, you'll see several options and settings related to your account. From here, click All Settings. This will take you into Grammarly's full settings area, where you can manage your account preferences and access sign-out options. Now, if you're on the Grammarly web app at app.grammarly.com, take a look at the bottom left corner of the page. You should see the sign-out option there. Click Sign Out to log out of your Grammarly account completely. After you click it, Grammarly will sign you out and you'll be returned to the login state. If you're on a shared device or public computer, this is a really important final step to keep your account secure. And if you ever need to log back in, you can simply return to Grammarly and sign in again with your email or Google account. So just to recap, click the Grammarly icon in your browser toolbar, go to All Settings, and then on app.grammarly.com, click Sign Out in the bottom left corner. That's all it takes. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.